Hey, I'm Sarah. I was just sent this countertop ice maker. This thing is super cool. You can actually make the little ice in a small or a larger size. And it just makes the ice for you. So all you've got to do is whenever you get it, you let it sit upright for about 24 hours, just for shipping purposes to make sure that all the coolant and everything has settled. And then you can plug it in, you fill it up with water, and it does all the work for you. So we're going to get it plugged in, and I will show you all of the features to this. It does come with an instruction manual as well. So this has your little digital display on here so you can see everything that is going on. You have your little ice bucket. So we have a little fill cup and we have a scoop for the ice in here. So that's really nice. I did not realize that they gave me a cup and the little ice maker. So we've got our bucket here. All we've got to do is just fill this up. Oh, it has a little handle to hold it too. That is really cute. They've got a little silicone handle added here so you can then put your scoop on it and then it can hang on the wall next to you or wherever you want to put it. So that is a really nice addition to it. So we're going to add our water in. On the inside of here, it actually has a level for max. You just want to make sure you don't fill it up past the max. And you also don't want to add in the water as it's running. So make sure your machine is off as you are wanting to fill that up. So on this display, you actually have a little water gauge right here. And this little green ball will then tell you how much water you have left in there. So you don't have to actually look. This will just float up and down as you increase or decrease the water. And you can see that max line in there for my water. I am just going to add my ice tray back in there. It's got a nice little handle here so you can easily pull it out. And it's got these little levers at the top so the tray doesn't just fall out on you when you do that. So that is also nice. And this thing makes 6 cubes of ice in 6 minutes. And 2.64 pounds is what this amount can hold. So you can see this nice light that comes on. You can turn the light off if you don't want that. You have a clean function up here. And here is where your ice selection is. You either have a small or a large ice. I'm going to do the large ice, and then we will just wait. All right, so we did have to add some extra water past that max line for it to get primed. And then that orange light went away, and now the fan has been kicked on, and it is starting to make that ice. So we'll come back as soon as we get the ice in. So we've had this on for a little while, and it is doing a great job getting the ice. You just open up your little case here, easily grab your handle, and you've got the nice large size ice cubes. And then you can actually put them in the freezer and then continue to make the ice. But these are nice solid pieces. It's doing a great job filling it up. And as you can hear, it's actually really quiet.